When an organization adopts artificial intelligence blindly, the result is often systemic failure. You invite privacy breaches, massive data leaks, and rapid reputational damage. And when algorithmic bias or data misuse occurs, the consequences move swiftly from technical glitches to serious legal action and massive corporate liability. To protect your organization, you need an actionable, concrete AI ethics framework document. We are going to build your first draft from scratch right now. Open a blank document or a spreadsheet. We will fill out this governance template together, step by step. A robust ethical framework functions as a fundamental business survival mechanism. Step 1 is assembling your AI ethics steering committee. You cannot leave this entirely to your engineering team. You need a diverse set of interdisciplinary voices. Create your first heading and list your key personnel. You need a business leader to hold accountability, a legal expert for regulatory alignment, an HR representative to guard against discrimination, and a data scientist to root these policies in technical reality. If you stop there, you risk creating an internal echo chamber. Add external advisors or end-user representatives to your list to ensure your decisions hold up to outside scrutiny. Now, create a new section in your document. We are moving to step 2, drafting 4 to 5 core guiding principles. These principles form strict pillars of your policy. Base them on standard frameworks: human well-being, transparency, fairness, and privacy. Avoid writing vague platitudes. A guideline that simply says, "be fair," provides zero actual direction for your developers. Instead, attach specific, testable rules to each principle. If your principle is fairness, your actionable rule should be to use diverse datasets and run statistical bias detection quarterly. If it's transparency, mandate that all AI-generated content must carry a visible watermark. Principles without operational definitions are just marketing. Actionable rules dictate the reality of your engineering. Step 3 is defining high-risk and red-line use cases to establish hard operational boundaries for all future projects. In your document, set up a traffic light categorization system: green for approved applications, yellow for high risk, and red for banned activities. Your high-risk, or yellow tier, includes any AI that interacts with personal data or makes automated decisions. These applications require mandatory human oversight before proceeding. Your red line tier lists strictly prohibited applications. This includes tools designed for unconsented human surveillance or manipulating public opinion. Defining these red lines prepares your organization for incoming international regulations, as global governing bodies are already setting strict standards for acceptable AI use. Once your boundaries are set, step 4 is building your compliance review workflow to audit new tools before they go live. The first phase of this pipeline is risk classification. Every proposed AI tool must be formally categorized as green, yellow, or red based on your traffic light system. The second phase is the stakeholder audit. Here, your steering committee actively reviews the project's data sources and tests the model's explainability. The final phase is the human-in-the-loop sign-off. A responsible individual must formally approve the project before it is cleared for deployment. This workflow takes your ethical intent and turns it into a predictable, auditable engineering process that actively protects your company. Step 5 is your technical and training rollout. Add a deployment and training section to your document right now. Generic corporate AI training is insufficient. To mitigate localized risks, your organization needs targeted, role-based education. Write down these departmental requirements. Your engineers must learn statistical bias detection, your HR professionals need recruitment compliance training, and your sales team must learn how to communicate transparently with clients about your AI tools. Without this specific training, you face severe risks. Untrained employees will use unauthorized third-party AI tools in secret, bypassing your carefully built system. If you have followed these steps, you have successfully translated abstract ethical concepts into a tangible working policy. Look at the document you just built. You now have a dedicated steering committee, actionable principles, hard operational boundaries, and a strict compliance pipeline. Your immediate next step is to take this draft framework directly to your leadership team to secure formal executive approval. This finalized framework empowers your organization to innovate confidently and responsibly, while insulating the company from legal and reputational collapse.